In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the average in Google Sheets. Knowing how to quickly calculate an average is really useful, whether you're looking at grades, expenses, sales numbers, or any kind of list of values. I'll walk you through a simple, beginner-friendly way to do this using the built-in tools in Google Sheets, so you don't need to remember any formulas. First, make sure you already have your numbers entered into a Google Sheet. These should be in a column or a row, with each value in its own cell. For example, you might have a list of monthly expenses in column B or test scores in row 3. The important thing is that the cells contain actual numbers, not text. Now, start by highlighting the numbers you want to average. To do this, click on the first cell in your list, hold down your mouse button, and drag over the rest of the cells you want to include. You'll see that the selected cells are shaded, showing you exactly which values are going to be used. If you accidentally select too many, just click once outside the selection and try again. Taking a second to double check your selection here will help you avoid mistakes later. With those cells still highlighted, look toward the top of your Google Sheets window near the toolbar. You'll find a small icon that represents functions. It usually looks like a stylized capital letter, similar to the Greek letter sigma. This is the functions icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you click it, a list of common functions will appear. These are quick shortcuts for calculations that Google Sheets can do for you. From that list, you'll see an option labeled Average. Click on Average. As soon as you do, Google Sheets will automatically create an average formula for the range of cells you highlighted. It will usually place the result either in the cell right below your selected column or to the right of your selected row. You'll see the calculated average appear immediately. If you look at the formula bar above your sheet, you'll notice that Google Sheets has inserted an average function with the cell range you selected. This means that if you later change any of the numbers in that range, the average will update automatically, which is very handy. That's all you need to do. Highlight your numbers, click the